Hey guys, this is Ryan Bleer here at Kaizink, and today I am showing you how to create an email template in Gmail. So first you're going to go ahead and click Compose, and what you're going to do is in the subject line, this is going to be what you save your template name as well as how your template subject should start. So we're just going to call this Test for Damaged Garments XXXXX, because I like to replace those. Typically, if these emails go to the same person, I like to include that on there as well. So let's say sales@kaizink.com and do a comma, XXX at XXXXX. So you could copy that and then paste it into the recipients, or you could cut it every time and then paste it into the recipients. So now you would go into body of your email, replace these specifics, end of email. So however you want to draft up your template, right? Because you're going to have sections within your email template that you're going to replace every single time. I personally like to use X's, that way it stands out and you know exactly what to replace. But you could format it however you would like. So once you have it set up, what you're going to do is you're going to click on these three dots down here for more options. And you're going to go to templates and save draft as template. Save as new template, and it's automatically going to pull your subject. So now we can just hit save, and we're going to delete. And so if we were to come back and compose a new email and go to that same place, the three dots and then templates, test for damaged garments, you can see that this populates here. And as I was explaining earlier, if you do Control X to cut that line of text, you can just go ahead and paste it up into the to field, and whoever needs to be copied on this email, it's quick and easy to get it in there. Thanks for watching.